Node module, NPM packages or project dependencies are installed and uninstalled but not shared or uploaded. These packages get updates and older versions become deprecated. You have to install or remove node modules oftenly, and when I work on a project and I complete that project, I always delete the node module folder to save some space. If you work on loads of Node.js or React.js project, then you have a lot of hard drive space occupied by node modules. So if you don't remove them, they are just taking a lot of space. Removing node module is easy and it can be done only using one command, and then you can also bring them back if you want. So here we will open the terminal and we will go to the directory where we want to uninstall node module. So in this case we have client, so I will type cd client, and now here we will write the command. So the command is rm remove directory and node modules. So we will press Y. So now you can see node module directory is deleted, and now whenever we will like to add the node modules again, we can just write npm I and it will install all the dependencies from the package.json file. So here we have all the dependencies with their versions. That's how we can remove and reinstall the node modules folder. You can see it has installed all the dependencies from the package.json, and now you can see the node modules folder is back. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. And by the way, this is the NFT marketplace project completely built on Polygon blockchain, and here you can see we have the smart contract and we have the admin panel, user panel, and we have everything that needs to be in an NFT marketplace. So just contact me if you need the source code from the link provided in the description. So thank you for watching this video. See you next time.